thought I loved the clouds. I do love the clouds. But even more, I like the rain. From soft, gentle rains to outright downpours. The air is filled with negative ions. Even though it's a secondary cause, in this stream of life, it gives a good feeling. At least watching it, not immersed in it, drenched in it. Just like our awareness and thoughts. Sometimes it feels better watching the thoughts than immersed in certain thoughts. But then again, when we can learn to intentionally immerse ourselves in certain thoughts, feelings, imaginings, we can create our own heaven. Isn't it better to create our own heaven than to keep going on the easy way, the way we're familiar with? Sometimes felt 2 steps heaven, 1 step hell, or vice versa or so. I especially love the rain. How about you?